Are you searching a free video editor in the internet? So if you are searching in if that kind of video, you are in the right video. In this video I'll teach you and I will tell you about the free video editor. Okay, there are lots video editor available in the market, and that is totally free of cost. You don't have to pay any single penny for this software. Okay, so this kind of video editor is not so much powerful, but you can use it for normal video editing. You can use it in the splitting, cropping, transition. There are lots effects available, filters available. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about that kind of video. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. And thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Lots people are subscribing my YouTube channel, and thank you for sharing my video also. And please don't forget to share this video to among that kind of people who are searching the free video editor which is available in the internet. Okay, so without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So this is also amazing software. You can use different kind of text, and you can use different kind of transitions, and you can use it in the split, cropping, and you can make it a normal video using this software. This is a Openshot software. Okay, so if you want to download this software, I'm giving you the download link in the video description also. Okay, so for this video editor you don't have to pay any single penny. You can use it in the free of cost, so it's amazing software. You can use it in free of cost. Okay, so if you want to use for split, and if you want to use for chroma key, you can use the Openshot. Okay, so let's talk about our second software, that is Shotcut. Shotcut also amazing video editor. So using this video editor, you can use transition, text, and overlays, different kind of options available. Last time I have also used this software. So this is also one of the amazing software. You can use it in free of cost. Okay, this software is available in free of cost. You don't have to pay a single money, but it is very powerful software. You can also try this software. So to download this software, you can directly go to google.com, and you can type Shotcut, and after this the search result will come in your screen, and after that you can download that software. Okay, it's simple, but if you want to download that software, I'm giving you the download link in the video description also. And after installing this software, you can try this one. It's also amazing software. I have also tried this software many times. And third software is Windows Movie Maker. If you are a Windows user, in that time you can use this software. Okay, maybe lots people know about this software, but if you don't know about this software, you can use this one. This software also can give you lots features. Okay, you can use it to use different kind of transitions. Okay, we can use fade in, fade out, and different kind of transition available. You can use text style also, and you can use the filter also. A different kind of settings available here. But I think for the Windows 10 and Windows 8 and Windows 7, I think there is no Windows Maker default. So that's why you have to download this software, and I'm giving you the download link in the video description also. You can check that link. Okay, or you can directly go to Google, and you can search the Windows Movie Maker free download. After that you will get a link, and you have to click in that link. After downloading this software, you have to install, and you can try this one software. So you can try this one. Okay, so this Windows Movie Maker also you can use in free of cost if you are a Windows user, but it's not support the Mac. Okay, if you are a Mac user, you have to use the iMovie. Okay, so I'm talking about the iMovie also. So if you are a Mac user or iOS user, in that case you have to use iMovie. This iMovie will give you different kind of things. Okay, so you can use it in every kind of video editing. You can use different kind of transition, you can use text, you can split, crop, and different kind of options available. Okay, if you are a Mac user, in that case it will be very useful. And for the Android user. Okay, so there are lots application available. You can use Power Director, or you can use the KineMaster Pro. Okay, or you can use the Filmora Go, but I'm talking about the Filmora Go. KineMaster and Power Director, there is a free version also available, or you can use a premium version also. Okay, but for the premium version you have to pay, and the trial version you can use it free of cost, the KineMaster and the Power Director. And there are another different kind of video editor also available in the Play Store, but I'm talking about the Filmora Go. If you have experience in Wondershare Filmora, in that case you can use the Filmora Go. Using the Filmora Go you can use different kind of things. If you want to edit your video for YouTube, it will be very useful. Okay, it's very light software also, and you can combine different kind of videos, and you can use different kind of filters, transitions, overlays, different kind of options available in the Filmora Go. If you are Android user, it is free of cost. Okay, so if you want to use online video editor, in that case also there are lots website available. If you want to use that kind of online video editor, you need a powerful internet connection. Okay, first of all you have to search free online video editor in the Google, and it will give different kind of search result. After this there are different kind of website available, and you have to click one of those online video editor. Okay, but for those video editor you need a fast internet connection. In the slow internet connection you cannot use that kind of online video editor. Okay, so hoping that you understand something from this video. You get some knowledge about the free video editor, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you learn something from this video, please share this video to another people also. And to connect with me, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I want to give thank you for my all subscriber who subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll make this kind of technology related content in this channel, and I need your support and love. Okay, so for the support give me a like. Okay, for love also give me a like. If you learn something from this video, as you can give me a like. And thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I'll meet you in another video. Goodbye, see you again.